Solve 2x cube plus 13x square minus 36 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 2x cube in place of plus 13x square. Now we should write plus 12x square plus 1x square minus 36 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 2x square. So here you get x plus, from this 2x square out you get 6. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. Here you get x square and here minus 36 equal to 0. Now this bracket, I will factorize it or simplify it here. That is x square minus 36, which is x square minus, in place of 36 now I write 6 square. Why did I change 36 to 6 square? Because now on this we should apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a you have x, in place of b you have 6. So this will become x minus 6 times x plus 6. So in place of this quadratic, now we should write this over here. So this equation will become 2x square x plus 6 plus 1, in place of this 1, x minus 6 x plus 6 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is x plus 6. So x plus 6 outside. Over here you are left with 2x square, and over here you are left with this plus 1 times x minus 6 equal to 0. Now x plus 6, 2x square, now you open up the brackets, you get plus x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic here. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 2x square plus x minus 6. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 1x. So in place of plus 1x, now I write plus 4x minus 3x minus 6. Now what can be taken out common from these two terms is 2x. So here you get x plus, from this 2x out you get 2. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this x gone inside, so outside you get minus 3. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out x plus 2 common. So here you have 2x and here minus 3. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation will become x plus 6. In place of this, now we should write this x plus 2, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. To get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is x plus 6 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove plus 6, so you subtract 6. You get x equal to minus 6. Now here we should remove plus 2, so you subtract 2. You get x equal to minus 2. Now here first we should remove minus 3, so you add 3. You get 2x equal to 3. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. You get x equal to 3 by 2. So the x values that we got are minus 6, minus 2, 3 by 2. This is our answer.